I bought a couple of these solar-powered motion lights a few years ago and put them along an outdoor walkway. They're surprisingly bright, no problem walking along that path at night with these things lighting the way. But they were only about 10 bucks each, so naturally they have started to fail. It's obviously difficult to keep something like this watertight over time since the seals degrade and shrink, and sometimes the plastic distorts. This unit is the added disadvantage of needing the solar panel on top, so that's a great place for water ingress. The way these failed was that water seeped in under the solar panel and corroded the contacts. The designers had the good sense to try and seal the wires connecting from the solar panel into the main body of the unit, so that prevented any worse damage. In addition to fixing the corroded solar panel connections, I'm giving the solar panel a new finish. I'm not sure it improves the efficiency of light transmission to the solar panel, but it shouldn't hurt, and it should better protect the solar cells themselves. Okay, just to review the components, this is the solar panel here on top. And underneath is the passive infrared motion sensor and the LED array. So inside the main compartment is the main PCB and the LED array, and of course this wire coming down from the solar panel. Oh, and also here is the battery compartment for the lithium battery. It's a 3.7 volt 18650 cell. Opening the unit is really easy. It just involves removing the 6 screws, 3 on each side. So I didn't have any video of how I pried the solar panel up. Basically it just involved putting an X-Acto knife around the edge and then prying up ever so gingerly. The 2 connections to the main board are here in the center, but they connect to the actual solar cells via these traces out to the edge of the board. And since those traces are corroded to the point of breaking, that's what caused the problem. So obviously the only thing I'm going to do here is just put in some wire to bypass those corroded traces. One thing to note is you have to keep track of the polarity of the solar cell, right? There's a positive and a negative end, just like with a battery. So just make sure you keep them straight. So after the soldering is all done, I just piled on this sealant. I know some's going to squeeze out, but I can clean some of it up, and I'm going more for function than form here. So after the sealant cured, I just wanted to pop in the battery to do a quick check. Really, I just have to block the solar cell, which sort of convinces it that it's dark outside, and then there's enough motion that the motion sensor triggers. And once that was done, then it's just a matter of putting those 6 screws back in. So it's back together and working. I'm hoping to get another couple years out of this thing. I hope this helped somebody out there. Okay, take care and good luck with all your repairs.